Hello everyone, I'm Shyam. Welcome to our channel, The Truth of India. The Truth brings you latest gadget and automobile news, current affairs, political, social, and educational news. And today we are going to introduce new Samsung Galaxy M55s, the best selfie camera smartphone. Great news for selfie lovers. Samsung has launched its next generation selfie smartphone, Samsung Galaxy M55 S5G, in Indian market, powered by Snapdragon 7th Generation 1 processor and 50 megapixel front camera. Starting price at 19,999 for 8GB plus 128GB variant, and 22,999 for 8GB plus 256GB variant. It will be available in Amazon and Samsung online store from 26 September in two color options, coral green and thunder black. Let's check out the specification of this cool device, Samsung Galaxy M55s. It comes with bigger 6.7-inch Full HD AMOLED screen, 120 Hz refresh rate and 1000 unit peak brightness level. Comes with 16GB of RAM with 8GB virtual RAM, up to 256GB onboard storage, and powered by Snapdragon 7 Generation 1 processor, runs on latest Android 14 OS. And this is not enough. New Galaxy M55s is powered by a triple rear camera, which includes 50 megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization, 8 megapixel sensor paired with ultra wide angle lens, and 2 megapixel macro shooter. And the great thing about 50 megapixel use selfie camera, it supports dual recording mode, on display fingerprint scanner, and powerful 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt wire charging. Then don't wait, go for this best mid-range smartphone.